With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked that dash is an organism that cannot be seen without a microscope, right? So such organisms for which we can only see them using the microscope. So such organisms are called microscopic organisms. So what do we understand by the microscopic, right? So microscopic is simply those organisms which can only be seen through microscope and they can't be seen with the naked eyes, right? Such organisms, they can't be seen by naked eyes, right? Because they are very small, right? The reason being that because they are very small, that's why we can't see them through naked eyes. To see them, the only A that we can use is the microscope. They need some A to be viewed, and that's the microscope, right? So such organisms are called microscopic organisms, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.